All right, I'm super excited about this one. This is going to be a Flamingle wine bottle. So I basically painted this wine bottle with white chalk paint. It's kind of a neat bottle. I can't remember what kind it is, but it's got, probably can't see it on the camera, but it's got little veins almost of the tree branches. Kind of just show through. So anyway, I don't know if it'll show through at all, like be noticeable, but I thought it was kind of cool. So anyway, I put just a little piece of blue tape so I can know where my middle is. And this is my flamingo. This is from a napkin. And I'm going to peel this off. It just has 2 sheets to the napkin. So peel that off, whether it has 2 or 3. And it is down to just 1 thin little sheet. So that one's going to go right up here at the top. I'm going to peel these. Then I'm going to put this under it. It says, well, let's flamingo. That's going to go right about there. And then I've got this cute little napkin here, blue with little flamingos. I'm going to put that on the bottom, and then I'll, I've got some, I'm not sure what, twine and colorful jewels and such that I'm going to put in between here. So we'll see how it ends up. So that's about where they're going to be. I'm going to start with my flamingo. And I've got some Mod Podge. And I'm just going to start under here and just get this spread out so that it will stick. And I'll go over the top of it. Try to get the wrinkles out if you can. And just go over the top with your Mod Podge. This is the matte finish. Straight as I can get it. I'm just kind of eyeballing it, so. All right. Okay. Seems to be covered fairly well. I think that's good. I'm going to let it dry. So you can put it down here so you can see it. So this is kind of how she looks. This is quite wrinkly. I might try and smooth it out a bit. I don't think I had enough Mod Podge underneath all the areas of it, but we'll get her worked out here. Okay, I'm going to leave it for now, let it dry,